Question number 24. In the development of balanced occlusion of a complete denture during tooth arrangement, a steep condylar path is associated with a low degree of incisal guidance. This requires that the compensating curve should be. Your options are flat, shallow, prominent, reverse. The correct answer is option C, prominent. Next question, resin teeth show a high compressive strength, contraindicated in patient with decreased interocclusal distance, show crazing, show a high fracture strength. So the correct answer is option D, resin teeth show a high fracture strength. Next question, the condylar guidance of an articulator is dependent on the options are the depth of the glenoid fossa, the vertical overlap of the incisor, the cuspal inclines, and the last option is the inclination of the articular eminence. The correct answer is option D, the inclination of the articular eminence. Next question, Will gauge is used to measure. Options are vertical height, bizygomatic width, intercondylar distance, and interpapillary width. The correct answer is option A, vertical height. Next question, the concept of lingualized occlusion was put forward by, your options are Geisy, MC Grain, Sears, and Paine. The correct answer is option D, Paine. Next question, squint test is used as guide for selecting. Options are shade of the teeth, shape of the teeth, length of the teeth, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, shade of the teeth. Next question, the function of compensating curve is to provide balanced occlusion in complete denture when mandible is protruded, to aid in stabilizing an incisal guide, same as function of curve of Spee, none of the above. The correct answer is option A here, to provide balanced occlusion in complete denture when mandible is protruded. Next question, the characteristics of an Archon articulator is, your options are the condylar elements are placed on the upper member of the articulator, the condylar elements are placed on the lower member of the articulator, the condylar elements are non-movable, and the inclination of condylar path is in the curved plane. The correct answer is option B here, the condylar elements are placed on the lower member of the articulator. Next question, recontouring and selective grinding procedures are carried out in complete denture to decrease the vertical dimension of occlusion, decrease cuspal height, enhance curve of Spee, remove occlusal disharmony. The correct answer is option D, remove occlusal disharmony. Next question, a high occlusal contact occurs in the balancing position between the lingual cusp of maxillary first molar and the buccal cusp of mandibular first molar. To eliminate this, which surface should be reduced? Options are lingual cusp of maxillary first molar and buccal cusp of mandibular first molar. So किस cusp को हम reduced करेंगे, ठीक है? Either lingual cusp of maxillary first molar or buccal cusp of mandibular first molar. Option C is lingual cusp of maxillary first molar with myelin paste at the time of denture insertion, and option D is lingual cusp of maxillary first molar in centric and occluding position. The correct answer is option B here, either lingual cusp of maxillary first molar और buccal cusp of mandibular first molar, इन्हीं दोनों में से एक को हम क्या करेंगे, reduced करेंगे. ओके. Next question, bizygomatic width divided by 3.3 gives approximately mesodistal width of lower anterior teeth, mesodistal width of upper anterior teeth, mesodistal width of upper teeth from molar to molar, mesodistal width of lower teeth from molar to molar. The correct answer is option B, mesodistal width of upper anterior teeth. The best criteria for teeth selection is past photograph, pre-extraction records, study models, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, pre-extraction records best selection करने का criteria होता है कोई भी tooth का. Next question, क्रोमा क्या है? क्रोमा इज इंटेंसिटी ऑफ कलर, ट्रांसलूसेंसी ऑफ इनेमल, ट्रांसलूसेंसी ऑफ इनेमल एंड डेंटिन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ कलर. Next question, curve of monsoon is an anterior-posterior curve, is a lateral molar curve which with convexity facing downwards, is a lateral premolar curve that convexity facing upward, a reverse curve. So option B सही है यहाँ पे. Curve of monsoon is a lateral molar curve with convexity facing downwards. Next question, A reliable guide for positioning maxillary anterior teeth in complete denture is fovea palatine, incisive papilla, maxillary ridge, rugae. The correct answer is option B, incisive papillae.